In this video, we listed the 5 best microphone under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FIFINE USB Dynamic Microphone. The FIFINE AmpliGain AM8 dynamic microphone is designed with versatility and convenience in mind, featuring both USB and XLR outputs to accommodate various recording setups. Its dynamic diaphragm and cardioid polar pattern ensure focused audio capture, ideal for multi-microphone kits and wired communication. Their microphone includes functional controls for volume adjustment and light effect customization, with 10 RGB modes available for visual enhancement during use. A real-time monitoring headphone jack allows for seamless audio monitoring without latency, enhancing user experience during recording or gaming sessions. Additionally, its adaptable microphone holder supports both 3/8 and 5/8 sizes, ensuring compatibility with different boom arms without the need for adapters. Number 2. BOYA BY M1V Microphone. The BOYA BY M1V wireless lavalier microphone series offers a versatile and compact audio solution designed for a variety of recording needs. Operating on the 2.4 GHz frequency, this microphone system is suitable for smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, and camcorders, catering to applications such as live streaming, mobile journalism, and content creation. The BY M1V series is notably lightweight, weighing less than 36 g, ensuring portability without sacrificing performance. It features omnidirectional polar patterns and includes options for different device types, including smartphones and devices with Type-C or iPhone connectors. The system supports up to 2 people and boasts up to a 60 m wireless operation range, making it ideal for interviews, podcasts, and live broadcasts. Key features include easy clip-on transmitters, noise cancellation capabilities, and the ability to charge devices while in use, enhancing its suitability for extended recording sessions. Each kit variant comes with essential accessories like cables, charging cables, and windshields, ensuring compatibility and usability across various recording setups. Number 3. PULUZ Wireless Lavalier Microphone. The PULUZ wireless lavalier microphone is designed for high-quality audio recording and broadcasting, suitable for various applications including live broadcasts, gaming, and YouTube videos. It operates on a 2.4 G wireless connection, ensuring high-fidelity recording with low latency and enhanced noise reduction capabilities thanks to ENC technology. Their microphone supports Bluetooth mode for karaoke and background music integration during recordings, with a dodging function to suppress background Bluetooth music interference. Additional features include a reverb function for improved audio effects and a long-lasting 300 mAh battery providing up to 10 hours of continuous recording. The package includes 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, wind muffs, and a 3.5 mm TRS audio cable, making it versatile for use with iPhones, Type-C Android devices, cameras, and other audio-video equipment. Number 4. Hollyland Lark M2 Microphone. The Hollyland Lark M2 is a wireless omnidirectional condenser microphone designed primarily for action cameras, pro studios, laptops, and phones. It weighs TX 9 g and operates on a battery that provides up to 10 hours of usage. It operates on 2 channels with a transmission distance of up to 300 meters. Their microphone is a lavalier type with wireless connectivity, though it does not support real-time monitoring. Manufactured in mainland China under the Hollyland brand, the Lark M2 is targeted at YouTubers, vloggers, and live streamers seeking versatile audio solutions. Number 5. BOYALINK Microphone. The BOYALINK is a compact and versatile 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system designed for seamless compatibility with cameras, smartphones, tablets, and computers. It offers automatic pairing and selectable noise cancellation, ensuring high-quality sound suitable for various applications such as content creation, live streaming, vlogging, and mobile journalism. The system includes adapters for 3.5 mm TRS, USB-C, and iOS Lightning connections, with the receiver featuring a USB-C charging port for convenient charging and operation. A portable charging case is provided for easy transportation and extended use. Additionally, the BOYALINK supports wide-range 20 to 20,000 Hz frequency response, mono, stereo output switching, and includes a rotating clasp type for windshield for added stability during use. It boasts universal compatibility with iPhones and select Huawei models, making it a versatile choice for creators seeking reliable wireless audio solutions.